Guys, welcome back to Appendix Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called Blacklight 1. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. So basically we have here two flags. So we would like to hunt the two flags. So you just type sudo su and enter the password. So now you just type net discover minus I 80. So first we would like to identify this one. So we identify our target mission. We just quit now. You just type nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive square, and you just enter here. So just enter the targeted IP address. So now let's see. So you just type here sudo nmap. So we got it with 80, the port. So we would like to visit this targeted port and enter here your targeted IP address 192.168.18.29. So you can look here. So you find here Blacklight beginners level CTF. So this virtual machine was made with less than 3 by-character brain. So you can find my code in the GitHub, support me via PayPal. More in-depth for information about my GitHub profile can be found here. Feel free to reach by sending me an email. Does not matter to sending an email. So let it be this one. So first we would like to go with the directory buster. You just type here http, enter your targeted IP address 18.29. So here we got one is a robots.txt. So just copy this one, come back here, look here, robots.txt. So in the robots.txt, so we find an useful information. Here is an one flag1.txt. We just enter this flag1.txt. So we can see the flag 1. You can see a flag 1. 9072 is the secret. Is that home? Is that home? So we found here 9072. Here also it's taking a little bit time to come this result. So there is a hidden port something in the flag 1 also. So we would like to hunt the flag 2. Blacklight.txt. Just copy this. So we have a dictionary list all here, A to Z word list. So in a flag 1, he was mentioned 907 is an unknown. So we would like to go with the telnet and enter the targeted IP address 18.29.9072. So yes, we have successfully connected. So you just type .help. So here we got .l. So now we would like to come back here. So you just quit this. So you just type here. So now you just type here I have config. You got it here. You just type here msf vna minus p for payload, we just type here cmd unix, then you just type here reverse underscore netcat and enter the L host equal to 192.168.18.80 and L port equal to 444. So we just type here 666 and you specify R. So it will generate a payload for this one. So now just type here netcat lvmp 6666. That's it. Now you just entirely just copy this, copy, come back here, you just paste it. That's it. Now enter. Now let's see. So what time we can get connected here as netcat. Otherwise we go for pentest monkey. Let's see. So we go for cheat sheet, we go for as a reverse shell. Now we would like to get here as netcat. So we would like to take this as a netcat, copy, open this. So now just paste it here. Now you just need to change the port is 6666 18 18 168 192. So now you just entirely just copy this one, just copy. So otherwise I think we have made a mistake here while to get an reversal access. So we just entirely just copy this one, copy, come back here. So to execute a command, so you just type here dot e. So first we just type here help, we are getting help. So we just type here exec and we just entirely just copy this command, copy, paste it, then enter. Now we have successfully get the connection here. So we need to look carefully and we just need to connect. So just type here who am I, we have got it as a root. So we just type here cd root list minus l, we got it here. Here again there is like SSH. So you just type here which Python, we got it as a Python. So you just type Python minus C import pdy span bin bash. So we have successfully got it here. Now we just go to a cd home list minus l. Now you just type c blacklight this minus L. So here hash.txt, so just type here cat hash.txt. So this is an hash identifier. We would like to look here. So we would like to look here to get a root access, as in here is an secret.txt. So now we would like to go to cd.secret ls minus L. So here is a flag 2 inside .jpg. So now what we would like to do here is copy this flag 2. Just copy this one, paste it. Oh, sorry. So you just type only copy flag 2 inside .jpg to where www and html. That's it. So we have successfully copied now. Now we just copy this one, copy, come back here. So we would like to go back here. So we just remove all this, control and paste it. So good job. The flag is hidden in this image. To get out, you must guess. So we would like to use as, so we just get the flag here, just copy here, come back here. So here we just type here as exit, here is also exit, we just type here clear. So we just type here out guess. Yes, let's see. So it will install the outguess. Let it install first. So it's taking a little bit time. Just go here, outguess. So we would like to look here by outguess Linux 2. So you just type here sudo apt-get update. So we would like to look here. Yes, there is an outguess is an tool. We would like to use this one. So but before that we would like to install this one. So because of this one it's not going for installation. So we would like to go with again as upgrade. Okay, now we would like to type here outguess yes. So when you come to the end of the moment, it's not gonna install it. So otherwise we would like to use histogram. Here is available for histogram and outguess. So we can retrieve the message from the data from the image file. So here how we would like to try here. Come back here. We just paste it. Sudo apt-get install outguess. Enter. So it's in another one, it's locked. So when go for this one, it's taking a too long time. So I'm just quitting here. So you can try it. Either we would like to look here, out, guess, online tools. So we would like to go back here. Just copy. So while installing this tool, it's taking a bit long and lengthy time process. So you can try it your own, guys. So we would like to look here. Here, I would like to go for here. So it's taking a too long and lengthy time process. So I just put it here, here also. So put here, we just type here, clear. So it's not going to be happen. It's not going to install at all. So you can extract the flag too by yourself, guys. So here, where is it's like it's a software or something else? Yes, it's software. So you're not gonna work out for this. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.